now the time has come for us to unbox the gift. Here it is. Yeah, it's time now to unbox. We have the scissors, so let's do the thing. You know, it's a happy moment. We always have to appreciate the little steps that we are making forward. You have to celebrate the little steps, right? Don't wait to celebrate the big achievement. It's the little things that count, the little steps, the little achievements that count to the bigger one. Yeah, so this one, I'm very happy to open it. So it's a specialist box. Let's open and see. I'm super grateful because this is very encouraging to work in a place where your efforts are appreciated. Yeah, so this means so much for me and my kids who are watching me right now as I unbox. Let's do this together. Great packing, right? Great presentation. Yes. To my kids. You built it, you earned it, now show it off to the world. Yeah, the world, this is it! We were building day and night. Yay! Let's repeat that again. You built it, you earned it, now show it off to the world. That's it, guys. This is it. Specialists in vibe coding. Specialists in vibe coding. My kids are breaking down the... So this one we are gonna open together. So let's open it together. Thank you so much, Base44. Be blessed abundantly. And thank you for everything you are doing for us builders. Okay, let me drop the carton. Wow. Hey, I'm gonna carry you in my city, Base44. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. As a mom of 4, this one will be very useful. And it's of great quality. Great quality. Yeah, it's a great bag. Yes, put it there. Thank you so much, Base44. This is the way I'm going to be. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Like that. Thank you so much, Base44. I greatly appreciate it. And let me see what's written here. So, Base44, and I want to read what's written here. The AI app builder that lets anyone turn ideas into working apps in minutes. Yes, that's true. Base44. That's where I've built over 50 apps. Yes, in just 5 months. Yes. Like I dropped off all of my ideas. Now I'm structuring them. Now I'm structuring them and launching them one by one. Yes, they can all fit here in this bag. Okay, now let's go to the second thing. My kids are behaving, huh? They're not making a lot of noise. They know it's my moment to celebrate. The building. Woohoo! Builder. Wow. Yo. Yo, guys, yo. dressed up by Base44. You see there? Thank you so much, Base44. I greatly appreciate. Let's continue. Let's continue. I built it, I earned it, and now it's time to show it off. Yeah, that's what they told me, and that's what I'm doing. So that's it, builder. Great. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we open the other one. Wow. Oh, the stickers to put on my laptop, in the kitchen where I spend a lot of my time. Just prompt it. Just prompt it. Base44 Vibe Coding Club. Yay! 7D Vibe Coding. Base44. Give me some credits. Base44, give me some credits, some more credits. I don't like when my credits are over. And build it your way. Yes, you're building it your way. It's your ideas. It's your platform. It's your world to express all your ideas or your imagination. Like Base44 is the place. It's the place. It's the great deal. So guys, I have some stickers to stick on my laptop and on my treadmill where I go every day, and in the kitchen so that I can see that all the time. It's my playground. And we still have some more. We still have some more. Yeah, and that's the last one. This one. Hey! I hope this one is to keep the builder warm, right? To keep the builder warm. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Wow. Wow. Can you see that? Yes, to keep the builder warm. And behind here it's written specialists. Specialists. So guys, we can put these on, right? Yes, have to dress it all up. Oh, it's warm already. Wow. Did I take the best size? Yes. Let me push this up here. Specialists. Yoo-hoo! Thank you so much, Base44. I'm happy. Somebody calling. Specialists. Specialists. It's warm here. Great time because somebody is calling. Yeah. Thank you so much, Base44. I'm super happy. I deserve it. I built it, vibe coding, using the natural language, and I'm going to continue doing so, right? To bring all dreams true and also helping others. So if you're there, you have a dream, you have an idea, you have a vision, you have a mission, and you need a home to express that as an app, as a website, then connect with me and I'm going to help you do that, right? I'm gonna help you. I can help you do it yourself. I can help you with the done with you and also done for you. So I'm gonna put the link on my first comments so that you can see where you can contact me from. Thank you so much, Base44. be blessed so much, and I'm grateful for this. And my kids are grateful for this too. Aren't you happy?
Yes.
Yes, they are. Let's continue building and let's continue leveling up as much as we can, so that not only can we help ourselves and our kids, so that we can be able to help others too. So if you want to start building for yourself and for others, let's connect. Thank you so much, Base44. Long live Base44.